This compact and portable accessory is a life changer, ready to spring into action. Perfect for any size vehicle, this versatile and multi-purpose bin is built tough and will keep your vehicle trash-free and stress-free. Sure, you could say it's a trash can, but it's not. It's much more than that. It doubles as a rugged storage bin, keeping your vehicle neat and organized. It's lightweight, portable, compact, and collapsible. Use the elastic strap to carry belongings, or use it to secure the bin in place. It features hook and loop strips on the bottom side. Just pull the strips apart, remove the white paper, and fasten the adhesive strip to the carpet. Then, fasten the bottom of the can with hook and loop to the strip on the carpet and secure. It's built with a tough internal spring and is constructed of a durable polyethylene material, making it sturdy and easy to clean. Just scrub off messes with soap, rinse with water, and let air dry. Make this travel companion a must-have for your vehicle. Choose from 2 sizes. Our large bin is available in 3 standard shades, and our small comes in 7 vibrant colors.